I was trying to think when I last used my jelly plate, and do you know, I think it might be before we moved house, which was over 3 years ago now. But, I've had a lot of fun using it recently. I do love my jelly plate. Um, so this video is just showing you very quickly how to create um, a picture using natural materials and some stamps and stencils. So I have sprayed on some acrylic paint, I think it was violet, and added bits that I found in the garden and added a butterfly, it's a little metal butterfly that I've got as well. So here I've just added a plain piece of white paper over the jelly plate, and I'm pressing down to pick up all the paint on the plate. So here I'm pulling up the paper. Just check before you pull it all up that the paint is actually coming off. If not, just put the paper back down and press a little bit more. I really like this print that I've pulled here. It's not the finished piece, but you can use it however you like, really. So now I'm taking off all the grasses and things, and we need to leave this to dry for a couple of minutes. You can see all the detail here. I really like the imprint it leaves behind, actually. And then once it's dry, we're going to start adding some more colours. So I've got blue, pink and yellow acrylic paint, and I'm going to spray that over the top, and then we'll be nearly finished. We don't want this layer too thick, and now I'm just going to add some stamps, and it's really just to create a bit of extra interest in the background. You don't have to do this, but I like the look of it. And then once you have done that, you're ready to pull the final print. Let's see what it looks like. As you can see, not all the paint was coming up very well, so I did a little bit more wet paint and tried again. But you can't expect to get all the paint. The white spaces are actually what makes it really interesting. It gives a kind of a grungy look, which I think is really effective. And this is the final piece. I think it looks really good, actually. I'm really pleased with that. I like the colours, I like the background texture. I think the only thing I would have done differently would be maybe where the butterfly on the left and the two doves are placed. I couldn't really see through the paint very well to see where I was placing them, but other than that, I think it looks really good. I hope you enjoyed. See you again soon.